Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Tech with Travis Burmaster, your exploration of the cutting edge in artificial intelligence. I'm Travis Burmaster, your host today, and we're unpacking a leadership guide from OpenAI titled Staying Ahead in the Age of AI. The landscape of artificial intelligence is evolving at a staggering pace. OpenAI's comprehensive leadership guide introduces 5 essential principles for organizations to effectively harness AI's potential: align, activate, amplify, accelerate, and govern. These principles form a framework for sustainable AI integration while maintaining responsible innovation practices. The align principle emphasizes the critical importance of organizational understanding and buy-in. Success in AI adoption requires clear communication about its relevance and how it enhances individual capabilities. Leaders must not only set the vision, but actively demonstrate AI use. Moderna's CEO exemplified this by establishing a concrete expectation for employees to use ChatGPT 20 times daily. Additional alignment strategies include executive storytelling to communicate the strategic importance of AI, setting measurable company-wide AI adoption goals, and conducting regular functional leader sessions. OpenAI's CFO Sarah Fryer leads by example, regularly sharing her ChatGPT workflows to normalize AI use within the organization. Activate, the second principle, focuses on equipping employees with necessary training and support systems. Research indicates that nearly half of employees feel inadequately trained in generative AI, despite identifying training as the most crucial success factor. The San Antonio Spurs demonstrated the effectiveness of structured learning by increasing AI fluency from 14% to 85% through embedded training programs. Organizations should establish AI champions networks to serve as internal mentors, schedule regular experimentation time, and organize no-code hackathons for cross-functional team collaboration. Performance evaluations and career advancement should reflect meaningful AI contributions to reinforce the importance of adoption. The Amplify principle addresses the need to scale AI impact across the organization through systematic knowledge sharing. This involves creating a centralized knowledge hub containing training resources, guides, best practices, and documentation of successful implementations. Regular success story sharing through newsletters, internal webinars, and all-hands meetings helps prevent redundant solutions and inspires wider adoption. Active communities through Slack or Teams channels, combined with a center of excellence, enable real-time collaboration and knowledge exchange. Accelerate focuses on removing barriers between ideation and implementation. The Estée Lauder companies exemplified this principle by establishing a centralized GPT lab that processed over 1,000 employee ideas and scaled the most promising ones. BBVA created a central AI network to expedite project reviews and implementation. Key acceleration strategies include ensuring quick access to AI tools and data, implementing clear intake processes, forming cross-functional AI councils, and rewarding successful innovations. Promega demonstrated this by democratizing AI access and reinvesting in teams showing the most effective AI utilization. The Govern principle balances innovation with responsible AI use through clear guidelines and efficient oversight. Rather than creating bureaucratic bottlenecks, effective governance provides clear guidelines through a simple, responsible AI playbook. Organizations can leverage custom GPTs for compliance questions and conduct regular quarterly audits of AI systems, processes, and governance guidelines. The focus remains on creating confidence in ethical AI use while maintaining innovation momentum. Success metrics for these principles span various dimensions. Alignment is measured through employee understanding of AI strategy and progress toward adoption goals. Activation metrics track daily active users of AI tools, training enrollments, and completion rates. Amplification success is reflected in the frequency of shared success stories and participation in AI forums. Acceleration metrics focus on project implementation timelines, from idea to pilot to production, and resource allocation efficiency. Governance effectiveness is assessed through the clarity and practical application of protocols. Notable success stories illustrate these principles in action. Notion transformed a focused AI hackathon into Notion AI, now a core product feature. Companies like Promega have accelerated innovation by democratizing AI access and investing in high-performing teams. These examples demonstrate how organizations can move beyond experimental phases to achieve meaningful business impact. The guide emphasizes that staying ahead in AI isn't about competing with technology, but creating an environment where teams can confidently adapt and innovate. Organizations that successfully implement these 5 principles develop resilience and competitive advantage in an increasingly AI-driven world. The key is maintaining a balance between rapid advancement and thoughtful implementation, ensuring that AI adoption aligns with organizational goals while empowering employees to embrace and effectively utilize these transformative technologies. As AI continues to evolve, these principles provide a robust framework for organizations to build sustainable AI capabilities. The focus on alignment, activation, amplification, acceleration, and governance ensures that organizations can maintain responsible innovation practices while maximizing the benefits of AI integration. Success in the age of AI requires not just technological adoption, but a comprehensive approach to organizational transformation, supported by clear leadership principles and measurable outcomes. That wraps up today's deep dive. Thanks for joining Tech with Travis Burmaster. If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with your colleagues and please consider leaving us a review. And if you're experimenting with AI in your organization, I'd love to hear your stories. Let us know what's working, what's challenging, and how you're staying ahead. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning with us on AI.